Bola Tinubu is the Biafra we have been looking for. Yes. A man who has integrated the entire Southeast. Yes, sir. A man who has given us juicy appointments. Yes, sir. The chairman of the APC World Electoral Committee and the local government committee of the APC. Today, history is being made in Ebonyi State. Your Excellency, my dear wife, this is Richard Secretary to the Government of Ebonyi State, the incoming chairman of all the local governments, and all the leaders, President General of Omunaga, and all the leaders, the praise people, my dear brothers and sisters. Chairman of the Electoral World Committee, I want to thank you. 5,009 votes for the president. Let me let Nigerians know that in Ebonyi State, it was decided by Ebonyi people that there will be no market, there will be no burial, there will be nothing else other than to come out in mass to demonstrate our loyalty, our support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR and the APC candidates. Ebonyi State is totally APC. We are only APC. So be so. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate, Bola. On your mandate we shall stand. Let me tell you, in the first place, out of the love of my people, both at the world level, community level, and the entire Ohozara, there is no any other registered political party in Ohozara. This will tell you that we are not obedient. Yes. If you know Chagaba, we believe it. On his Monday, we shall stand. On your Monday, we shall stand. On your Monday, Bola. On your Monday, Bola. On your Monday, we shall stand. So when people are counting Southeast, they should count it for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I have no repentance. Yes. is saying that Southeast must support the president.
Yes, sir.
So that we can complete all the gigantic projects he has started in the entire Southeast.
Yes, sir.
Bola Tinubu is the Biafra we have been looking for. A man who has integrated the entire Southeast.
Yes, sir.
A man who has given us juicy appointments.
Yes, sir.
A man who has given us very important infrastructure.
That's true.
Bola, on your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, Bola, on your mandate, Bola, on your mandate we shall stand. Let us see a year to other presidential aspirants. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate, Bola, on your mandate, Bola, on your mandate we shall stand. Other presidential aspirant, hey, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
We stand for all the APC candidates.
Yes.
Not be so. From Tinubu, Bola Ahmed, GCFR to Wifuru. Not be so. And to all the candidates of APC.
Yes, sir.
We shall return them.
Yes, sir.
And during every election, there will be no market in Ebonyi State.
Yes, sir.
No going to farm.
Yes, sir.
There will be no burial.
Yes, sir.
We will demonstrate our unrepentant,
Yes, sir.
impeccable loyalty.
Also, His Excellency, the Federal Citizen of Nigeria,